In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase star brightness in the SkyView app on iPhone. If you've ever opened SkyView or SkyView Lite and felt like the stars weren't standing out on your screen, this quick adjustment will make them pop and help you spot more constellations with ease. Start by opening the SkyView app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines, usually located in a corner of the screen. Tap that to open the app's main options. From here, choose Settings. This is where all the display and visibility controls live. Next, tap Display. You'll see a few visual options here, but the one we want is the visible star magnitude, sometimes labeled magnitude or visibility, depending on your version. Now comes the key adjustment. Use the slider for visible star magnitude and move it to a higher setting. In simple terms, increasing the magnitude value tells the app to include dimmer, smaller stars and render them more prominently so they look brighter and easier to notice on your screen. In astronomy, magnitude numbers can be counterintuitive. The higher the number, the dimmer the star. So in the app, raising the slider expands the range of stars that are shown and enhances how clearly they appear. As you slide, keep an eye on the live view behind the settings. You'll notice more stars appearing and existing ones standing out more. If you push the setting too high, the screen can start to look crowded, especially in star-rich parts of the sky. A good approach is to increase gradually, pause, and see how comfortable the view feels for your eyes and your screen size. When you're happy with the visibility level, simply exit the settings. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can return to your SkyView and enjoy the enhanced brightness right away. This works the same way in SkyView Lite, though the labels or layout may vary slightly. A couple of quick tips to get the best results. Ambient light affects how bright stars appear, even on your phone, so step into a darker spot if you can. Also consider keeping your screen at a comfortable brightness to balance clarity and battery life. With the visible star magnitude set just right, constellations, star patterns, and even fainter objects become easier to recognize and enjoy. That's all you need to make the stars brighter in SkyView. Open the app, go to Settings, choose Display, adjust the visible star magnitude slider upward, and exit to lock in your changes. Happy stargazing?